फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू दैट यू क्लिक्ड ऑन द थंबनेल एंड अब आप यहाँ पर हैं। तो मैं अपने बारे में बता देती हूँ दैट आई एम मुदिता एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट वीडियो ऑफ माय चैनल एंड आई एम अ कॉर्पोरेट गर्ली। आपने अभी तक थंबनेल देख ही लिया होगा। सो आई एम अ कॉर्पोरेट गर्ली एंड दिस इज हाउ आई गो टू ऑफिस एवरी डे। दिस इज माय मेकअप लुक and I have gotten so many compliments for this makeup look that it is so natural. I can literally do it within 5 minutes. So yeah, let's get started. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Let's start by moisturizing my face first. I have like really dry skin, so these winters like I usually use 2 of the creams. Nothing else work on my skin, so I use Nivea. In winters and in summers I use Emollient, so both of them were recommended by my dermac. So yeah, let's start by firstly prepping our skin. So if I tell you about me, then I'm a software engineer and I'm currently working into Deloitte as a consultant, and I have recently switched my job like 2 months ago maybe. And yeah, I was previously into a mid-tier company with like 2,000 employees, and coming into Big Four was also a very big thing for me. I'm so grateful for God and my parents and like everyone who actually supported me in my journey. Okay, so we have applied the moisturizer, then we're going to apply the sunscreen. This one is Eye Shield G. This was given again by my dermac. For my skincare products, I actually don't trust any brand. I always prefer to go to my dermac and ask her that what should I use, because I had like very bad acne. We will start with the foundation. So I use MAC Studio Radiance and I am in the shade NC20. This one literally gives such a nice dewy finish. इतना ज़्यादा natural लगता है ना कि मतलब बेसिकली हम जब ऑफिस जाते हैं ना, हमको नहीं चाहिए कि हम बैठे हुए हैं सामने वाले को एक पूरी ऐसी लेयर दिख रही है फाउंडेशन की. दैट लुक्स रियली वियर्ड. इवन हम भी किसी को देखेंगे कि यार ये पूरी लेयर कैसे दिख रही है फाउंडेशन की, दैट लुक्स वियर्ड. वी डोंट हैव टू बी देयर. सो या, दिस फाउंडेशन एक्चुअली सेव्स यू फ्रॉम दैट. यू कैन गो विद दिस वन और you can go with the Smashbox one. I will attach somewhere here. So I am in the shade light mediums in Smashbox, and that is also a very good like moisturizer. It's a tinted moisturizer for everyday use. It looks very awesome. So I usually take like very small amount, 2 pumps like this, and this has like a very runny consistency, you can see, and I spread it like this. I warm it up and I spread it on my fingers, and then I apply it evenly. So I use blender because brush usually gives me very full coverage with this foundation as well, and I don't want it. Like I want a sheer to medium coverage, and that also like that is very natural. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे ना तो मेरे कोई भी ऐसे मार्क्स कवर्ड नहीं है. मुझे यहाँ एक तेल है, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट कवर्ड. सो दैट इज वाई इट लुक्स लाइक रियली नेचुरल. ये सब दिख रहा है बट स्टिल यू हैव अ कवरेज, गुड कवरेज. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज ब्लश. आई यूज दिस पिक्सी का ब्लश. This is in the shade, I think it is in the shade Ruby. It's not written anywhere. Everything is like wiped off. So I use it on my high points, hair, and I use same shade on my eyelids as well. Nothing much fancy. A little bit on my nose, a little bit on my chin. I don't use any brush. I just blend. Looks super amazing. See how good flush look it is giving. See, I mostly use all the cream products because cream products look super natural. The blush recommendation I have for you guys is the Pixi one. I use it every day. This is around you'll get it around 1700 or 1500 in sale. And the second one I have is of MAC, and this is in the Big Diva Energy. The next thing is fixing spray. Fixing spray is very, very important for all of us. You cannot skip fixing spray because we have to sit 8-9 hours in office, sometimes even more, so we don't want our makeup to melt and सुबह हम एकदम ऐसे स्ले गर्ल करते जा रहे हैं and शाम को आते आते पूरा धुल गया. That is not it, girl things. Okay, so pack your makeup. I have two fixing sprays. First is from D'Alba, and I don't know how to pronounce it. It's D'Alba or D'Alba, but this one is my favorite. The second one I have is from MAC. I really like this one, but I like this one more. I know this is contradictory and people do like this one more, but I don't know. This just gives my skin a finish that it just melt my makeup and it looks so good, so good. See, I'll tell you guys. Shake, 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 and do you see this? You see this glow? This is how the glow is of D'Alba. And this is the key of my makeup. It really melts everything together and looks so, so, so amazing. It's completely dried. So, the thing is that we are going to set up brows. And why is it important to set up brows? Because it gives your face a definition. For me, it is कि अगर मैंने eyebrow नहीं बनवाया तो I will just use the eyebrow pencil and it's gonna look good. This one is really old. I think it is of Blue Heaven. I don't think so. I need to buy anything else. Yes, it is of Blue Heaven. From what? No. It is of Plum. For all the corporate girlies, I think mascara is something that we cannot skip, and we all love mascara. It gives our lashes the boom, and actually मेरी lashes तो almost non-existent और ऐसी हैं, so I have to bring it up and curl it up. So yeah, I use this. I use this Maybelline का Sky High mascara, and it is waterproof. Although you should not use the waterproof mascara क्योंकि आपकी 2-3 eyelashes तो ये लेके जाता है रोज. So you can use something else, but I have this habit of rubbing my eyes, so that's why I cannot use anything else. You just get everywhere. As a corporate girly, I do not use gloss because अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना कि मीटिंग चल रही है, हम उठ के लिपस्टिक लगा रहे हैं. So we want lipstick that literally stays all day. हमको ऐसे उठ के, we don't know when we would get time to like apply lipstick, go to washroom, apply lipstick. That doesn't work. So we need something that literally stays all day. So my favorite here is the Maybelline Vinyl Ink lipsticks, the Super Stay one. And I use this on my daily basis. It looks super natural क्योंकि मैंने इसको इतना यूज कर लिया है अब, और ये थोड़ा ग्लॉसी भी लगती ही है. Super natural. And I'll tell you a secret to literally make your lipstick that lasts so long. So apply this Vinyl Ink lipstick क्योंकि आखिरी में ना इसका सिर्फ ऑयल बचता है, इसका कुछ भी पिगमेंटेशन बचता नहीं है. दिस इज लाइक दिस. तो इसको लगाओ आप आराम से, और इस पे आप कोई सी भी लिपस्टिक दैट यू वांट कि भाई इसका कलर चेंज हो जाए. सपोज इट इज करेंटली इन अ ब्राउन टोन, आई वांट इट टू बी इन अ पिंक टोन, लेट अप्लाई पिंक लिपस्टिक. Now it's in a pink tone, and this would actually stay all day. So yeah, this is our no makeup look for office that stays all day. आप कुछ भी करो, आपको पसीना आ रहा हो पूरा दिन, this would stay intact. Even your lipstick won't go anywhere, and you can thank me later. I'll mention all the products that I use in description box, and you can go buy them. Also, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. This is my first video and I would really appreciate if I would get some support from all of you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys later. Bye.